I'm so obsessed with it. God, I love Glee. Good morning, girl. What the hell? Today I woke up and I decided we're just gonna have a little fun at home day today. Yay. Yay. Thank you. Yum. My mom gave me this mug. I was born this way. And this is not in a Lady Gaga way. Not that anything's wrong with that. Like, come on now. When I was growing up, when my parents would tell me to fix my attitude, I would say, I can't help it. I was born this way. Like, don't try to change me. I am the girl I've always been, you know? Yum. Wow, my barista went kind of crazy on this one this morning. Coffee on the bed, that's fine. The plan right now is to start a load of laundry. I'm gonna clean the house a little. She needs a good scrub down. And then we'll just go from there. One thing at a time. Can't rush perfection. Hey. I just wanted to wear my finest attire today. My favorite thing to do is like a deep clean of the house on a day that I'm gonna wash my hair. It just feels like such a reward. This right here, that's my motivation. This is who I'm doing it for. Before we start cleaning, I want to show you a few new things in our house. The thing is, I'm like, girl, no one cares, but I care. Look at this gigantic ass lamp. The story girl, the robot vacuum was going crazy. Let me put this back. There we go. Girl, she did a number. I was on a walk with my boyfriend. I saw this lamp and I was like, girl, this is so beautiful. Like, who would put it on the street? It has this like marble base. It's very heavy. My poor boyfriend had to carry it. Like, look at this. It's like so tall. It's literally touching the ceiling. He hated it, but I was so happy. Anyways, girl, the lamp did not work. That's why it was on the street. So my friends actually fixed it for me. They had to replace these things. Daiso didn't have enough bowls, I guess, so they got a dog bowl, which is... Look, you can't even tell, okay? You can dim it and stuff. It's actually so bright. Isn't that so sweet that they fixed it for me? I'm so obsessed with it. Another new thing, I got this little stool at Goodies to elevate and heighten this plant. I think it looks cute. I don't know, it might be ugly. I'm still getting used to it. That's enough dilly-dallying. I am going to speed run clean the kitchen and clean like just downstairs in general. Starting the weekend with a fresh space is like so nice. We're speed run cleaning this. Also, I have big dreams today. I want to make pizza. I want to bake cookies, hitting all of the foods on the food pyramid. So speed cleaning commence now. I have my mic strapped to my top just to see if like I can get some ASMR, but I fear that all you will hear is my breathing. We'll have to fix that in post, don't worry. In theory, should I be using gloves to clean this? Girl, yes, of course. But I am from Missouri, and what does that mean? I don't know, girl. I don't know. But it has given me a complex. So your guess is as good as mine. Later, whenever I'm like, oh my God, like, why are my nails so brittle? We're gonna wonder together, and we're just not gonna know the answer. Did that transition work? Okay, look, my outfit is a little Americana. I think I will change, but for now, I just want to do my skincare. So it is in the middle of the day, but I don't think that I will be leaving the house or seeing the sun. So I will just do my full skincare routine. I think it's gonna be okay. It is lunchtime. I did go a little crazy. I have my chicken gyoza from Trader Joe's, broccoli roasted in the air fryer, and then I did make a little sauce, soy sauce and chili crunch from Trader Joe's. I'm going to eat this, and then I think after that I'm going to make some chocolate chip cookies. Yum. We're going to make a dirty soda. It is not as good as Swig. I barely have the correct ingredients. I am only using this because I ran out of my coconut creamer, okay? Okay, this does look kind of disgusting. Let me present it to you like this. This is basically like a cherry lime vanilla cream Diet Coke. And you know what? It tastes exactly how that sounds. Little good, a little freaky. Also, while I was making this, I realized that my basket of clothes are right there. So before we get into the fun cookie making, I'm like, okay, fine. I'm just going to fold some laundry. Oh my God. Honestly, though, this did bring me back. I was down pretty bad. I love baking cookies. For some reason lately I've been watching a lot of Christmas vlogs, and it is just making me really miss Christmas and baking. Whose vlogs have I been watching? Mandy's iPhone, my new favorite YouTube channel. Anyway, okay, let's just make some chocolate chip cookies. I found this cute picture on Pinterest. The more pictures I see, the more I'm like, wait, should I be doing this? And I'm like, no, girl, no. I think this is kind of what I'm going to go for. Just two colors, hot pink and orange. And look what I have, hot pink and orange. These two, I don't know if the colors are accurate whatsoever. Also, I am watching, as I said, my favorite YouTube channel currently, Mandy's iPhone. Is this a bad idea? Because I am going to make pizza later. Literally fingers in the dough, but I think I'll at least do one layer now, and then if I want to do another layer later, I will. I mean, I will definitely have to. This is going to be the best day ever. If it has not already, it definitely is now. Not only do we make cookies that are slightly underbaked, but now we're going to make pizza, and then I'm forcing my boyfriend to hang out with me and watch Glee, which is my favorite activity. My nails, I'm like, girl, why did I knew, but I've waited like an hour after one coat so that, girl, hopefully I don't get nail polish in the pizza. At some point, it's out of my control. My roommate put me onto this. This is pizza dough from Whole Foods. Girl, it is the best ever. And then I use this Carbone pizza sauce. It's so good. My boyfriend and I are both extremely picky eaters. So we just are going to put a lot of mozzarella on it. And it's plain simple, pop it in the oven. Ooh, Glee. Ooh, finish my nails. Ooh, girl. For dough that makes one pizza, it is $5.39. I swear to God, I would rather have this pizza than like order any pizza ever. Like, it's my favorite pizza. Normally, I would have a Whole Foods Caesar salad with this, but that thing going around, I cannot. I can't risk it. Cyclosophoria? Can't remember, but you know the one. Oh my God, look at that. I'm just going to spread it out. Oh my God, my arms are tired. I'm just gonna start spreading it out. Okay, look, it just stretched back. I don't know how. Girl, I don't know how you do this. Oh, it's not looking good. Okay, maybe there we go. Oh my God, no, this looks great. Okay, the pizza crust is shrinking back a little bit. Girl, what? This is actually my favorite part because I get a little snack. No, I got pizza sauce on my white shirt. Oh my God. Girl, it's everywhere. Okay. This is looking freaking delicious. Okay. I'm going to now set a timer. I'm getting freaking mozzarella milk on my phone. Gross. It's my favorite time of the night. It's Tide Pin time. Okay, to be honest, I feel kind of stupid because, like, why did I smack the pizza sauce? You know what I mean? Like, wearing a white shirt too. Like, girl. I tried to use like some power wash dish soap on this and I don't know if it worked. It worked a little bit, but I was like, girl, I need some help. That's perfect. At this point, we're just gonna hope and pray. I don't want to walk around with 5 big wet spots on my shirt, so I'm just gonna change the vibe, but no Snoopy holding his surfboard, so that's fine. It is smelling really, really good. I'm scared. Oh my God, the cheese is like sizzling. Oh my God. If I'm being honest with you, I don't see a difference, and also I don't know, I was just guessing anyway. I'm just gonna cut it. What's a little extra dough? She looks gorgeous. Oh my God. And then there's dessert. And here's the thing. Am I cutting this on a plastic cutting board? Like, maybe I am. Here's the thing. I definitely have a lot of microplastics already. So what's a few more? But it looks so good. Maybe I overcooked it. I don't know. I like took it out, cut it in half, and then put it back in. Because I was like, girl, I don't know. It's really good. Come on. You're kidding. It kind of... It kind of looks like ass, but I promise you it is really, really good. I'm just gonna spend the rest of the night eating this, hanging out, watching Glee, painting my hey, just girly things. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I feel like today was kind of productive. I have to lock in on Glee. I'm on season 2, episode 17. God, I love Glee. But yeah, I will see you next time for whatever we get up to. See you then. Bye.